Yes guys, so you'd be surprised to know that not a lot of people know how to activate these headlight washer jets. So today I'm going to show you what to do. So once you got your headlights on, so to turn on the headlight washer, make sure your headlights are switched on, and if they're on auto, make sure they're switched on as well. So yeah, as you can see, it's on the on position, fully on. So you pull back the lever twice, so and if you do it again, it's not going to work, so you give it a few seconds. There you go. And yeah, that's how it's done.